Today I want to introduce you to MagicLight, a tool for creating animations in the shortest time possible. I'm super excited about it because I actually created this intro using MagicLight, and working with this tool feels amazing. Just like its name, it's a magical tool that can get you hooked. So let's dive in. Click on Start for free. You can log in using your Google account, Discord account, or your email. At the bottom of this page, there are plenty of animations that you can click on and watch as samples. To be honest, I checked them out a lot before purchasing the account, and I definitely recommend you do the same. Click on Generate AI Video. First, you need to select the aspect ratio. In the next step, choose the video language from the available options. Finally, select the video mode, which, in my opinion, offers a great variety. If you want to create a video using a prompt, you need to enter your prompt in this section. There are also some suggested prompts below. You can click on any of them to view and use them directly. If you prefer to create an animation based on your own story content, you should use this section. Here you can write your story with a limit of up to 6,000 words. Since I want to get the best performance from this tool, I'll use one of its suggested prompts. Now I'll click on AI Generate, as I've already set up the other configurations. Here, each numbered sentence represents a scene in our animation. All of these sentences are editable, so if you don't like any of them, you can delete them. If a sentence isn't in the right position, you can rearrange it. Once everything looks good, click on Next to proceed. It has generated 3 characters for us based on the scenes: Elias, Anya, and Cipher Agent. In this section, you need to set the appearance, voice, and details of each character. Let's start with Elias. On the left side of the screen, you'll see some details about the character, like their name and voice. You can choose a voice from the available options, and by clicking Audition, you can listen to a sample of each one.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Next, you'll need to select the gender and age group of your character. Once that's done, on the right side, you can choose an image for your character. There's a great variety of choices, both in terms of outfits and facial features. After selecting one, simply click Confirm to save it. Now, I want to teach you how to create your own custom character. From the main menu, click on Create AI Character. At the top, choose the character's name, gender, category, whether they're human or a mythical creature, and age. Below that, select the character's style. In the Character Prompt section, enter the details of your character. I use chatbots for this part. You can write up to 500 words. Below, you can upload sample images that match the characteristics you want. Click Generate. If you're happy with the result, click Apply. If you need to make changes, click Edit. You can choose to upload your character as public, which means it will appear on the website, or private, which makes it accessible only to you. Next time you come back to this page, go to the My Characters section, where you can select the character you created. I followed the same steps to select the other 2 characters. Now, click on Next to move to the next step. Now, we have an image for each scene. At this stage, our job is to carefully review each image one by one and make sure there are no issues. If there's a problem with an image and you don't notice it, it might cause issues in the next step, where these images will be turned into a video. If you find an issue, simply click on the image, then select Regenerate. The tool will recreate the image for you without using up any extra credits. Once the new version of the image is generated, you can compare both versions and decide which one looks better. Another option that this tool offers is Animate Pro. You might be wondering, what is it? Let me explain. Choose any scene you like, click on it, and then click on Animate. Now, select Animate Pro and choose one of these 2 modes below. I personally prefer the top one. Now click OK and wait a few seconds. Look at the result. See how amazingly it transformed the scene into a video? You can apply this to all the scenes in your video to make your animation look even better. Finally, if you're happy with all the images and there are no issues, click on Generate Video to move forward. Confirm the aspect ratio one more time. If you don't want subtitles in your video, turn on the Hide option and click OK. Let's check out the final result together.
Elias Thorne, a mild-mannered librarian with a penchant for ancient languages. They weren't graffiti. They were precise, elegant, unlike anything he'd ever seen. Elias photographing each symbol, meticulously recording its location. They formed a pattern, a cryptic map leading to a hidden location. The key opened a secret door in the city library. Armed with only a flashlight and his growing sense of unease, Elias descended. He filled with artifacts and symbols mirroring those he'd seen on the city walls. Elias was now caught in a dangerous game of cat and mouse. He managed to disable the device and alert authorities, preventing the artifact from falling into the wrong hands.
Just like before, start by selecting the aspect ratio from the left side of the screen. Next, choose the video language and then select the video mode. This time, I'm going with comic mode. Now, it's time to write your story. I recommend using chatbots for writing your story, just like I do, to make it more interesting. Click Next to continue. Review the scenes carefully to make sure nothing is missing. Click Next again. Just like last time, you'll see a set of characters that need their details filled in. Once all the characters are set, click Next to move forward. I'm reviewing each scene one by one to check for any issues. For example, here, this part of the image has a problem, so I'll regenerate it. The new image has been replaced successfully. Everything looks good now, so I'm clicking on Generate Video. Let's check out the final result together.
One day, she suddenly saw strange points of light faintly emerging from the darkness. Curiosity drove her to chase after them. The once glorious stage was now full of dust. He used his guitar to pluck out a powerful sound wave. Steel Spirit was protecting innocent residents in the slum area. However, when the shadows blocked all exits, he felt that he could not face this force alone. On the other side of the city, the secret shadow wandered alone in an ancient library. The ancient books in front of him emitted a faint light. They first met during a conflict in the Shadow Realm. They realized that only by joining hands could they unlock the secrets of the shadows.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.